Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. I'm excited today. We are going to break in a new grill, and we're going to do it right with a skirt steak sandwich with Cowboy Mayo. Now, this ain't just mayo with some Cowboy Butter seasoning in it. Oh, hells no. 16 ingredients. So let's get this started. As always, loyal viewers, all the ingredients, their amounts, and directions can be found down below in the comments section, whether they're written right there or it's a link to our website, galleyofthesun.com. I'm working on getting all of our recipes there. I'm almost done with 2021, and it's a lot of work, but it'll be there. All right, so let's get it going. First of all goes our avocado oil. With that, 2 extremely young, boneless, skinless chickens. Then Dijon mustard, but we love this Zatarain's. It's upside down. I don't want to turn it upside down because then my mustard's going to go away. You're just going to have to trust me. Zatarain's Creole mustard. Stuff's incredible. Now we shall whip up the mayo portion of our Cowboy Mayo. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm down with the thickness. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. I said I'd never do that again when I did that in the previous episode, but yeah, you can't trust me. All right.
What is wrong with you?
We'll see if I can't do this without pulling out the immersion blender and creating a bigger mess. So now goes in some apple cider vinegar, minced garlic, the zest and juice of 1 lemon. This one.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Okay, I see the error of my ways. This is just going to cause a disaster. You saw that coming. I don't know why I didn't.
I think you know what the problem is just as well as I do.
Has nothing to do with the bourbon. This is my first of the day.
If you say so.
Okay, back to the zesting. All right, it's not perfect, but it's the zest I could do.
Terrible. Dad joke alert.
Salt and pepper. A little bit of cayenne pepper for some fire. Smoked paprika. A little hot honey. Stay tuned. At the end of this episode, a hot honey will judge this. Oh yeah. Some W sauce. Some hot sauce. I'm choosing to use Cholula's new Chipotle Cremosa. Give it a good smoky flavor and a little heat. A little A1 sauce. Unless you get it at a Mexican grocer, then it's A1 sauce. Some prepared horseradish. Definitely don't use unprepared. And some minced parsley. Now we'll mix all that together. I can tell it's a little spicy if you get it in your eye. I don't know how I did that. All right, we'll give it a taste for taste. Oh, damn. We have a winner, and it is not too spicy at all. You could eat that with a spoon. We'll be right back for the next step. I'm going to chuck this in the refrigerator and let it set up and let those flavors mingle as we do the rest of this. See you then. Now the Cowboy Butter's made. You can go a couple different ways with this sandwich. You could use that Cowboy Butter, a little bit of cheese, some tomato and lettuce. I have a diced red, yellow, and orange bell pepper and an onion. I'm going to saute these up, and that's going to be the accompaniment with the mayo and the cheese with the steak. Also, before I go out, I'm going to get my brioche buns toasted. So next time we'll see you, it'll be outside to try out our brand new Weber grill. We'll see you there. First of all, disclaimer, I'm working with different camera angles, trying to figure out how to keep my cameras out of the intense Arizona sun. So we'll see if this works. Here it is, our brand new Weber 22-inch Master Touch grill. Why did I get this? Well, one cannot have enough grills.
Damn right.
And also, I love my Argentine grill, but that thing puts out a ton of heat. And when it's 106 outside like it is today, that's not something I want to be standing in front of. But I still want to get that incredible wood and charcoal flavor in my grilling. So I got the Weber. So let's get those coals down and get these steaks on. All right, we've only got a couple steaks, so I've got my coals on one side of the grill here. Let's get them seasoned up. Gonna do this nice and simple. A little bit of salt and pepper. And then some of Spiceology's Cowboy Butter seasoning. All right, these are super thin, so the plan is put them on 3 minutes per side, take them off, get them inside. So let's get it on. All right, so we'll get these grilled up, we'll get them inside, we'll see you there for the last step before the sandwich preparation. See you then. Steaks are back inside off the grill. Now, let's get our sandwiches made. So first of all, utilizing the director's favorite knife, the Dow Strong Obliterator, I'm gonna dice these. She may tell you different, but this is really her favorite knife. And it makes very quick work of these beautiful skirt steaks. Let's get to constructing. This ain't rocket science, it's sandwich science, which is almost as important.
Absolutely.
So, we're gonna get a good amount of the Cowboy Mayo on the bottom buns. Then we're gonna get our meat on. I don't know why I was using tongs. Sometimes you just need your fingers. Now we'll top those with our onions and peppers. Now we top these with the cheese. I'll tell you, my gut told me to go with smoked Gouda, but the girls overrode me and said cheddar, so I'm using cheddar. Now my strategy here is that cheese is gonna act like the glue and keep everything together. So my oven right now is set to warm. I'm gonna return these to the oven and let that cheese melt a little bit and glue all that stuff to our sandwich. So when we come back, we're gonna get judgment from the director and find out how we did. Actually, I'll tell you that Cowboy Mayo is so damn good, and I've got a lot of it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the top bun too, then put it in the oven. All right, the sandwich is done. The director is ready. It is time for judgment.
Should have had a napkin. Very tasty. I like the butter. It's yummy.
The mayo, you mean?
Yep, that too.
There she goes.
The cowboy stuff.
She likes her cowboy.
Yeah, I do. I like cowboys. Yes.
But not the Dallas Cowboys.
No.
No.
Mm-mm.
No. Okay. All right. Hey, sandwich is a winner. Director's happy. So there you go. Thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following suits. God double damn it.
Very messy as hell.